Hi everyone, I'm here in my laundry room because I want to share with you a stupid mistake that I've done. Well, what I didn't realise is, the thing is, I've not had a washing machine for a little while. Part of that is due to the fact that don't phone up Samsung if you need a part. They're useless. Just Google it online, because that's what I've had to do for my washing machine, which, to be in fairness, isn't really that old. The main thing I've been doing this video is because I don't know how it happened. Something actually went in the washing machine that shouldn't have gone in the washing machine and disintegrated, and therefore causing my machine to not empty and clog up the filter. That involved me having water pouring through my ceiling because the pressure made the door blow. What's happened lately is, obviously what I'm trying to do is clean the machine out. I've got two choices. If this doesn't work, then I'm going to have to actually give someone a call, because it could be more serious than the machine's letting on. So I'm going to show you a really simple thing to check with your machine before you make that phone call, because if you're covered, carry on, make the phone call. But if you're not, you may want to try these little few tips first. So I'm going to pop you down. There we are, so you can see what I'm doing. This is my machine. There we go. Right. This machine was actually full up with water. I'm very lucky. As soon as the level got low enough, the lock came off the machine, so I was able to, my finger, open the machine and jug out a lot of the water and the debris that was actually in the machine causing the blockage. You might, when you do this, guys, put a towel down because you're going to need it. So I'm going to show you the first things you want to do is shut, obviously, before you open your machine up. Get to that part, make sure your water is shut off. You don't want the machine to keep filling when you're trying to empty it. So, down here, we've got a little draining, well, I can't even call it a pipe really, it's like a miniature pipe. So, seriously, it's a hell of an angle to get in a bucket. So, you've got your draining pipe here, and good old trusty filter. Before you get that filter out, you've got to drain this machine. So, literally, you pull the plug out here at the end. Might still be a bit of water in there, so shouldn't be that much. Yeah, there you go, a little bit of water. I'll clear that up in a minute. So as you can see, I've clearly drained it. What I will say as well, when you, there we go, make sure it's drained, have a towel ready, and what you can do, just to speed things along a little bit, is gently loosen your filter here. You just turn it once and twice and you'll see the water will start flowing out. So I'm going to pop the plug back in on this one. And this is a really easy mistake that really buggers up machines. And normally, one of the main causes, guys, one of them is coins. They get trapped. I'm going to show you the bit in the filter where they get trapped, and that once that stops your machine from turning, it will not drain. That filter needs to be clear. So I'm just going to show you my filter. All Samsung filters may look slightly different. If you've got an older model like me, your filter is probably going to look like this. So I'm just going to take this out without breaking it out. Ugh. Tissue back in there. Yeah, there's still a bit of water in there. So, alright, there we are. Alright, you just pull that out. And as you can see, I've actually cleaned mine because it was full up with rubbish. But you see these tiny little holes here. Once they are blocked, that's it, your filter's like not going anywhere. So guys, literally, you pull it out, give that a really good rinse, clean it up so it looks absolutely sparkling. I'm going to pop that back in. I'm going to hope to death this bloody works, because seriously, I can't be coping without the washing machine, you know. I've done a couple of months, to be honest. That's not in properly. So you really do need to make sure that your filter is flush with your machine. Otherwise, once you turn that water on, yeah, you're gonna have a few issues. So there we go, and it will turn nicely in. Just make sure it's in securely. I'll show you that. Okay, nice and tight. Draining pipe there with your plug on it. Alright, and I'm actually going to turn. I've actually put an unblocker in it at the moment, so let's see if that helps. And yeah, alright, so I'm just going to turn the water on. Bear with me a minute. So water on, machine on. Let's fill her up. Alright, I'm gonna put her actually on a full cycle, because I want to get this unblocker right the way through the system. I may actually do this one more time if she's blocked again, because really I'm really holding back pain. So I'm going to set the temperature up high. Alright, there we go. I'm going to put her on a big spin, because I want to see if I can flush as much out as possible. Let's tidy that back here. I just push the pipe back in so the dog doesn't get attracted to it by any chance. And obviously make sure everything is tightly on and done before you turn the water on. So I'm going to let my machine do its thing and see if I've managed to clear some of the crap that's in the washing machine from the disintegrated material. Jesus Christ, whatever it is, but it's caused a hell of a problem. But yeah, seriously guys, if you've not got any of your appliances insured or under the house insurance or anything, I really recommend trying this way first if you feel that your machine is blocked. This normally happens if your machine does not want to empty. If your machine isn't filling, normally that's tends to be a valve of some sort, and that can be a call out from someone. But if your machine does appear it won't spin and it won't drain, one of the main things, check your filter first. Make sure all of your compartments are not blocked or fill up with any soaps or anything like that. And I'll let you know how this gets on. I may be unblocking this again. So have a great day guys, and I'll speak to you soon.